and as I spin around, you will see this object in the back there. That was a bee that just buzzed by. This object I did not see with my own eyes. I did not see this object with the naked eye. This is something that I found in the footage the next day, which is today, scrubbing through, and I have no idea what this thing is. It's moving very slow. At first I thought it was a couple blimps or a speck of dust that bee just buzzed by again. But it's something in the sky at a distance. Now, on top of that, there are other objects. I know it's just a little speck, but I'll blow it up in a second, and you'll see it maneuver quite radically to the left even after it appears behind this other triangle object. So there it is, bam, and then watch it disappear, and then it'll come back and spin off to the left. So it's obviously in and out of the clouds, whatever that thing is. Now, on top of that, there's another object flying in formation with the larger triangle. I don't even know what that is. And, of course, that other object's there, so you can see that there's multiple objects. I did not notice any of this at first. This is only when I was trying to blow up the image to get a better look at the triangle object, or whatever it is. That's when I saw these other two objects. So there's a lot of stuff flying around here, guys, and I don't know what any of it is. Okay, and it's not pixelations. These are objects, and it's
just a little speck, but I'll blow it up in a second, and you'll see it maneuver quite radically to the left even after it appears behind this other triangle object. So there it is, bam, and then watch it disappear, and then it'll come back and spin off to the left. So it's obviously in and out of the clouds, whatever that thing is. Now on top of that, there's another object flying